in the Tunisian purl, because the switching and the scrunching of the fabric to do the cables, I find that the purl is definitely better in this situation. This is one of those where we are trying to emulate as much as we can the exact knit fabric. So for my particular sample here, I have 2 Tunisian purls. So I'm going to go ahead and do those 2 Tunisian purls. Oops, and if you see there, I did it wrong, and instead of going back to miss that extra hook, I came forward. So I'm going to do it right this time and insert and then twist my hook to the back so I don't catch that extra yarn. And then I'm going to do it here, and then now I'm to my knit stitches that I have here. And so for this row, I'm actually just working across like normal. When you do cables, if you're not familiar with, you don't twist them every row. If you twist them every row, you just get a convoluted mess that looks horrible. You only twist them on particular rows. So this particular row just happens to be a normal. So I've got my knit stitch here, and I actually don't have to follow a pattern because I can look and I can see these are purl stitches here, so I'm going to do a Tunisian purl. These are Tunisian knit, so I'm going to go ahead and do Tunisian knit. And this is called reading your work. And it's actually very useful and valuable skill to learn because it allows you to pick up mistakes easier because you're able to read your work, and because you can read it and see what it's supposed to do, you're able to pick up when you don't do it. And it also means you can memorize patterns quicker because you can look and say, oh, it's supposed to be doing this, and so I just do whatever I know it's supposed to do. So for the next 4 stitches, I'm going to go ahead and do my Tunisian knit stitch, where I go into the center between the front and back vertical bar and go from front to back and pull up a stitch. So, and then I come back to the middle and I'm back to my Tunisian purl. And so I'm going to create those. Oops, lost that stitch. And then I'm back to my knit, so I'll do my knit stitches.